Hi everyone. Excuse me. Good day here. I want to talk about a few things. Over 1,000 up on the options, and I want to discuss the pound dollar trade where we are up $641. And how many units? 116,000 units. So basically, just a small position there on the pound dollar, a little bit over a standard lot on the pound dollar. So let's get to the trade SPY. If you are familiar with the last two videos, they have been on the S&P 500 and a possible reversal. Now, this CPI pre-market was basically designed to get people nervous, okay? Now, if we had futures overnight, which I had said we're not holding, it's just too volatile to hold futures overnight. But if that would have been the case, there would have been some problems here. Who knows? Depending on your leverage, you could have gotten sold out. That would have been horrible. But instead, I have a very small account with options, and that's what I used. Put the options, all right? So the options were longs, call. I have June. Here we are reversing to the upside. Don't know how high we're going to go, but I'm getting ready to take a profit on these very, very shortly. So I'm going to keep this video short. So stop run reversals are not fun, and they're aggressive, and they are there to emotionally captivate you and make you make irrational decisions. And I've been there many, many, many times, and you just got to learn to relax. So stop run, or now we'll see if it's a true reversal. Then we're going to come above the highs set from earlier. Okay, in pre-market we reached that 40-50 area in pre-market. Okay, so that was a nice move. So to truly be a reversal, we're going to have to come above and break to the upside. So right now, we're just up nice. Let me put this on pause. I'm going to look at my accounts and really make a decision on what I'm going to do here, whether I take profit or not. Okay, everybody, so profits were taken. Let me just focus on this video here. Let's just get a little bit more in the discussion topic of a stop run, okay? They are obviously designed, as I mentioned, to emotionally catch you off guard. Run the stops. Here, for example, let's say we were long. Let's say we had futures, whatever, or even stocks, because this is the S&P 500 index. Here we have it, many, many stops run. The acceleration exacerbated based upon the fact that it is pre-market and the liquidity is low. Don't take pre-market very serious. Then market opens. What happens here? We just see buying. Now we're seeing a pause, which is understandable. Overhead resistance is coming up right around the 40, 42 to 40, 50 area. So that's where we are now. Once again, the pound dollar. This is a trade that I am in. I want to go over this 1 hour chart. Pound versus the US dollar. This is a risk on pair. So if the stock market is getting a rebound, this should as well. Here is this beautiful wick. This here is the 4 hour chart wick. That is textbook beautiful. I am in this. I have not taken profit. In fact, I even added target on this. I am expecting it to break 124 and then we'll reevaluate it. But everything is in place for the pound to just make a rebound. I would not say I'm long-term bullish here. I don't know. I am not that kind of a trader. All I'm saying is we got a beautiful stop run reversal here. Beautiful stop run reversal in equities. And yes, we made a so far making a good profit in this, and good profit in options. So not really going to do much more. I have some things to do today. That's the wonderful thing about trading. You don't have to stay in front of the screen 24 hours a day, but you're welcome to do so, and some people like to do that. Some people don't. I do find myself often in front of the screen just to educate myself on current market conditions, and I do it because I want to do it. I don't do it because I'm forced to do it. So that's the story. Pound US dollar long, and I'm bullish on equities here, and we'll see what happens. I mean, how much, how long, we'll see where we close today on equities. Okay, and I'm not looking for a change, you know, in direction. I'm just looking for maybe a move up from now until Friday. I don't know. Any rate, stop run reversals. Be very, very careful, as I mentioned before, especially in pre-market. Okay, so in order to prepare for this, if you are in stocks, if you are in futures, just keep those positions small. I know it's difficult sometimes. You want to make more money, and you're going in big, and sometimes that can help, and sometimes it can hurt. But keep it small, knowing that the volatility is very, very aggressive, and it's very easy to just get a margin call. Okay, and you could just get sold out just like that. All right, I hope this helps just to kind of explain the whole concept of a stop run, and wanted to also show you what we're doing as far as profits. For more information, forexdaytradingroom.com. And for now, bullish on the pound dollar, bullish temporarily on the S&P 500 index, and just equities overall, especially the NASDAQ. It's just way too overdone, my opinion. Who knows what's going to happen? And as a disclaimer, government required disclaimer, make sure that you know that equities, stocks, futures, options, Forex, and everything else that you could trade, including crypto, you can lose all your money, and it's very, very risky. Keep that in mind, and take care, everyone.